Hello, my name is David Park. I am head of APAC business development and growth at Mina Protocol. Um, so I manage anything related to business partnerships, business onboarding, and grants related matters. And previous to Mina, I was a business lead at Pay Protocol, where we had 3.5 million users. Um, Yeah, and thank you, Ludian, for making this opportunity for us to introduce Mina. And my main purpose of this presentation will be introducing Mina and opportunities to participate. So I think we already had good, presenters or explaining what the ZKP is. I just wanted to emphasize that ZKP is a technology that was made outside of blockchain. Um, Verifiable computing in software engineering and cryptography. So it is a technology that can be utilized beyond blockchain, but personally, I believe that it's most optimized in public blockchains. And ZKP started, the research about ZKP got started in 1990s and 2010s. There were two pivotal moments. So one paper was written called Pinocchio. And 2016, I think many of you know, Jen's growth paper on ZK Snark became a game changer. And since then, one of the first use case with using the ZK Snark was Zcash for privacy on asset transfer. And ever since, it's been utilized a lot in the blockchain space. In terms of scalability for infrastructure and other areas of applications on chain for using privacy. So I think one of the main value propositions of CKP is combining anonymity and verifiability. Those two concepts are, conflicting concepts, but now with CKP, you can combine that. So some of the examples of ZKP-based use case can be, regulatory compliant DEX or DeFi, or anything related to governance voting and public poll surveys and ZK-based identity and KYC, but without revealing deep private information for private information. Yeah. And Mina is an L1 built on ZKP. We started in 2017, so 1 year after the Growth 16 paper came out. And we positioned ourselves as the lightest blockchain, and we achieved this by inputting ZKPs on blockchain. So every computation is done off-chain, only input ZKPs to the blockchain. And with recursion, we were able to make the block size small and constant. So so our block size is about 22 kilobyte. So you can verify the block through smartphones. And with this technical design, we solved the bloating issue to solve the hurdle of validating a node, as I said, to a smartphone level. And to support more decentralization. And we launched our mainnet 2021, and we're listed to top exchanges. I think we were listed to Korean exchanges last year, to Upbit, Bithumb, and Coin1. Yep. And I just want to emphasize it's really exciting times for us to be working in Mina and for projects to deploy on Mina, because we are entering the second chapter. So right now, since 2021, we positioned ourselves as the lightest blockchain, but there wasn't a smart contract programmability. But now we are having our hard fork where you can deploy ZK consumer applications. And this is something that we've been working on for 3 years. And I believe in few months, we are at the final stage of testing with the community. And I believe in few months, we'll be deploying our hard fork. So, yep. And regarding our ecosystem, there are about 80 plus ZK applications that we have been accelerating, including DEXs, rollups, L2s, and payments and social applications. Yeah, and to accelerate the ecosystem, we have 3 grant programs. So with just a small idea or POC concept, you can participate in our grant program called Mina Navigators, where you can have the chance to learn about Mina and test out building your POC. And after the POC, if you want to proceed with building the product to the MVP level, we also have a program called ZK Ignite, and we see this year as the pivotal year of making consumer ZK applications proliferate, and we managed to have about 20 million fund to accelerate builders and projects to onboard using Mina, and of course already active businesses. We also have a separate fund to onboard those businesses to our ecosystem. So I'm here today, and here's my contact. If you have any questions regarding Mina, please feel free to talk to me. And one news I would like to share is that next week, about half of the Mina Foundation people, so in global we have about 45 people in our foundation, but 20 people are coming to Seoul to participate in Eat Seoul and to launch our own networking party. So next week, Monday, regarding our hackathon, we are having our dev workshop at Nons. I think you guys know of Nons community. So if you are interested in learning about our smart contract called O1JS and interested in participation for the hackathon, please come on 25th at Nons. And this next week, Wednesday, 27th, we'll be having our own networking party, same place here. Maybe better with better catering, but in the networking party, our founder, Mina Protocol's founder Evan Shapiro, our CEO Kurt Hemaker, and all the C-levels are coming. So if you have any questions or if you want to hear about just Mina ecosystem, we also invited our L2s, upcoming L2s, and those founders of L2s and our flagship ZK applications such as Punkpo, Peter's here, will be coming in, giving a speech on why they decided to build on Mina and what kind of foundational support we have been giving to the Korean builders. And 29th is the start of the Eat Seoul, and we are the main sponsors of Eat Seoul, so we'll be having our own hackathon track. So please check out the QR code. If you have any questions, please feel free to ping me on Telegram. Thank you.